Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Applied Digital's stock price rose as high as 8.6% during the day on Wednesday, and then the stock price retreated sharply, closing only slightly higher, which may be a sign of capital exiting the market. The stock has continued to rise since it bottomed out in April, but the stock price has not risen further in the past 3 days, which shows that the stock is beginning to face correction pressure and the signal of capital selling is becoming more and more obvious. Data shows that there has been a small amount of net capital outflow in the past 2 days, which is consistent with the performance of the stock price. This shows that as the stock price enters a high-level consolidation phase, a large amount of funds are flowing into the market, while a larger amount of funds seem to be flowing out of the market. I think the stock is about to enter a correction or downtrend. The stock price did not rise further after the large volume rise last Friday, which shows that the bulls of the stock are less willing to push up the stock price. Although the current price of the stock remains at a certain height, after the close of Wednesday, the shorts seem to have taken over the market pricing power. Most of the current positions of the stock are distributed in the $5.51 to $7.26 area, and most of the positions in this area are concentrated above $6.31, which means that a lot of funds have flowed out of the market recently when the stock price was high, and the long capital that entered the market at a low level has also withdrawn from the market. Of course, if the stock price adjusts downward, the support position of the stock is also obvious. The stock currently still has some positions distributed in the $5.51 area. If the stock price falls, it is expected that the bulls may block the bears at this position. Of course, this does not mean that this is the best entry position. If the market sells off severely, it is possible to fall below this price. Okay, guys, this is my price forecast for the stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price forecasts for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.